Hi, buddy, and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. We got a beautiful spring wreath going on. We are working with some fun, bright orange colors. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button, and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And with that much thanks, and let's get this started. Yes, we are working with this little 14-inch wired wreath, and we got this little birdie, which I attached with some Velcro glued on the back. And we got this fun color 71-inch orange wired ribbon. We got our beautiful greenery, which I work a lot with. We are working with some ribbons, some bright, beautiful ribbons. With this, we got another color going on too. So what we're going to need on these, we're going to need 3 10-inch white ribbons. We're going to need 2 10-inch of the orange. We're going to need 1 9-inch turquoise ribbon and 3 10-inch white ribbons and 3 pipe cleaners. And let's just get this started. Okay, here we go. First thing we're gonna make a little, let me see, like a 8-inch tail. We're gonna make our 8-inch tail. Then we're gonna get our loops on. We got 2 12-inch loops. One. Get over here and get another one going right here. Bring this up right here. Ay, ay, ay. This is a beautiful ribbon. So bright. I found it at the famous 99-cent store. Ay, 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 mama. Excuse me. Pay attention. There we go. Okay. See if they're even. There we go. Okay, we're going to get this guy up here. Put him up here. I'm in my pinpoint, so I'm going to put my beautiful ribbon. So I'll be prepared when you... Okay, we'll go get this in and just pop bam. Look at that. Woo! I like this ribbon. It's wired and strong ribbon. Okay, then we're going to go down and we are going to make a 12-inch loop. Another 12-inch loop right here. Move this over here and let's get a little bit right there. I think right here, yeah. There, and then we're going to get this. We're going to get this pinned in here and voila. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Then we're just going to get the rest and just bring it down here. Pop them up and bring it down here, and there we go. Gorgeous, gorgeously. Just with the, I love this ribbon. Just the colors. Look, everybody, how it's coming out. Beautiful. Like I said, like always, you guys could use your glue gun to get everything intact more, you know, how you want it. And we're just going to work this greenery in here. Get this in here, you know, so they'll be in there. Right here. Let's get some right here. Pin this down with these. There goes that crispy sound. Okay, let's just work our way around. Get more right here. Get this in here and pin her down. I think I'm gonna, yeah, let's just keep going up. And I forgot we got these daffodils and our pretty lavender and some beautiful white florals. Excuse me. But the show must go on. Okay, here we go. Let's get this going. There we go. Wow. Okay, we got some more greenery going. I've been working with this a lot. This stuff is, I gotta look it up and see the name of it so I can give you guys the name of it. But this font is so good to work with. There. Got that going on. Okay. Now let's get this one over here and here. There we go. Let's get this. In one of these wires. Bam. Okay, we got that there. Little birdie. Look at that birdie. Yeah, with the birdie, it was just the item at 99-cent store, which I found. They just got some of that vinyl, which you make a print, and then you just stick it on. Now we're going to put our daffodils. Let's get some daffodils in here. Whoa, look at that. What a change it does with these beauties. Get another one. I'm going to step back and visualize on my little item. Looking good. Okay. Let's keep going. Get another one up here. Now we're going to stop right there with those. And we are going to get our little ribbons together. Like I said, put our colors together. You can have your colors the way you want them. You know, be creative and have fun making your ribbon and get some fun colors, you know, spectacular. It's summer. I mean, it's spring. Let's get those bright, bold colors out. Fun color, happy color. Wow, look at it. You just puff it out. Then this one, where did I have this? I had it on the side, huh? Get this in here. Get the colors, the colors with the greenery and the orange and the daffodils. Wow, look at that, everybody. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to take that out there. Okay, we got our other ones already made, so we're just going to puff these out. It's pretty color. Then we're going to puff these out, and we're going to put them in here. Let's see. I think we're going to put one in here. Let's get this going in here. I just want to give a big thank you to my subscribers and my viewers. You know, my channel is growing, you know, and I thank you guys so much for enjoying my videos. You know, I really love to be here, you know, in the morning, putting out my videos too. It's so good therapy to you, for me, and for all you to be learning. We're all learning together, and to show my crafts to you. It's amazing. I mean, you know, my goal is to get monetized someday, you know. I will just keep going on and on with this. It's so much fun, you know, doing crafts, and just it's so much fun, you know. And I just want to thank you guys, okay, and just thank you. Let's get this ribbon going. I'll be getting too sentimental. Okay. Calm down, mama. Okay, here we go. Yes, indeed. My channel is getting up there. Much thanks to my beard. Trying to get out some different colors and unique items, you know. I don't, you know, well, but later on, St. Patrick's Day will be coming up too, you know. I think I got different ideas for that. I really didn't think of them yet, but hey, we get working with ribbons this year. Like last year, we had florals. But I'm learning, like I said, we're learning together, and we will come out with some exciting items. Here we go, and I think we got it, everybody. Look at this. Let's finish like these all the time. See, this is why I keep these fillers. You could put these in here like that. See? You have a space. You think you open up and put some extra greenery in there. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, let me step back and visualize on this beauty. Wow, look at that, mama. Beautiful. Let's get some of these. Turn this one around, huh? Get some lavender. These are so pretty. Look at them. They look almost real. There, look at these beauties. That look good right there? Yeah. Then we'll get some. I thought I had like 3. Let's get some. Nah, I'm going to put this one over here with this guy. Nah, I think it'll be. What do you all think? Thumbs up or leave a comment? Ooh, look at this. So beautiful. Just be creative and step back and visualize and have fun making your wreath, and you will come out with a beauty, you know, a beauty. Okay, once again, I think we got it. Where could this one go? Down here? Yeah, by the birdie. Hey, okay. I think we got it, everybody. Once again, thanks for checking out my channel. It was fun today. Everybody have a great day. Let's get that smile on. Today is my birthday. Yes, it is. Okay, and have a great day, everybody. I know I will. Till the next video. See you all. Whoa, look at that. Wow, little birdie. Chirp, 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 chirp. Came out great, huh? With all the beautiful bright colors and daffodils and lavender. Okay, everybody. Until the next video, have a wonderful day. Like, share, and see you.